Okay, this next SCC is bigger than the other one, and it has an interesting feature such as the IP67 waterproof, and it's the same touchscreen, dual RS45 RS485, PC monitoring, and app remote is optional. So the model of this is Explorer 60 amps. So 150 VOC, which is the standard. Same thing, 12 to 48 volts. A charge current ratio of 60, and the same thing also, 30 amps for the load. So let's open this. Okay, so this is their manual. So it has a mounting bracket, same with the other one, but this one is smaller. And they're using a proprietary, I guess this is a 3-phase neutral and PE connection. So let's check what's inside. Oh, so this is their connection. It has its wires and with indicators. So what's not here is the load. We're going to check this later. And that's the connection. And the other one is, okay, here is the mounting bracket. So this is color white. Okay, so the mounting screws and the hexagon wrench. We'll check what's this. RTS, and I think this is the PC connectivity, USB and RJ45. Off we go. Oops. Okay, now this one is with the navigation control of how to use their touchscreen, which is nice. And same silky finished, and I think they have the same as indicated on their manual here. So the LCD, but the good thing is this one has a guide, so it's really silky finish, silky black, I would say. Okay, and this construction is very solid, all aluminum body. And here, this is the RS485 to a switch and the temperature sensor, and we have the grounding connection. And let's check. Okay, this is the input. Okay, very sturdy, so there's no moving anything on it, and it's all aluminum black, as you can see. So let's try to compare this on the runner, which is which. Okay, so this is the runner version and this is the Explorer version. On their side, just to have a comparison. Plastic, aluminum. So they have a different connection. This one, since this one is IP67, so it must be sealed. This one is not. So what we're going to do is we're going to test also to have this power up. Okay, so the mounting, the connectivity, and mounting screws. Anyway, let's put it aside. RTS. Okay, that's everything. Let's try to power this SCC just like the runner. So this one also is sealed, tightly sealed, I would say, to prevent water from getting in. So let's power this SCC and let's check. Okay, this one has a guide, so we have to check how do you plug it. So there are 3 notches, 4 on the top, so the other one is the bottom, so all you have to do is to, okay, sweet. Okay, I think that's connected, and let's connect it to the power. So this one is positive and the other one is negative. Okay, that's it. So basically they have the same display as the runner, and let's check. So based on their manual or the guide, all you have to do is, if you want to select, you have to click S1 for 3 seconds. Oops, let's move. And let's see if it's on the battery. Oh, it's gel. So you can now choose sealed, flooded, use, and lithium. Oh, so this one can now charge a lithium battery, so it's included. We're going to check also the runner later if the same thing. So standby, same. Now this one, let me see, there are indicators on the top, and same, so yellow, red, so it's pretty much the same on the other SCC. There's an error code 051. Let's check. I think because of the battery that we choose. And we're going to use the sealed. So we're going to discuss this, I guess, in a separate video on how to properly configure your iPanda SCC using the touchscreen. But for now, as you can see, it's working. It also has a very black finish, silky one. It can have it a mirror. And so we can see what's inside. Yes, let's try to check if we could change the battery to sealed. Okay, and that's it. So select. Okay, I think that's it. So they have the same as the runner version. This one is IP67, so whatever, this is good for outside. You can put this outside of your house or for any environment for that matter. And as you can see, this is their mounting bracket, fits at the back, and the screws. Okay, that's it. Thank you.